One of the key features, which I believe is being discussed further today, is the cash-first approach to crisis payments. And this steers authorities to first consider cash payments, including digital cash and through bank transfers and cash out type vouchers, before alternatives such as supermarket vouchers. But crucially, CRF is cash first, but not cash only. In taking a person-centred and needs-based approach, it's expected that authorities will consider on a case-by-case basis, and where an alternative is more appropriate, that is what should be provided. In taking a holistic approach, we're also expecting authorities to consider how that wraparound support can help the person in crisis. So regardless of the immediate support that is provided, whether that's cash or vouchers or in-kind goods for furniture and appliances, engagement with the CRF is an opportunity for that individual to access those wider services and build their resilience. And we know that financial resilience is affected by a complex web of factors such as income, health, education, financial literacy, housing security, caring responsibilities, and the list goes on. And there is no one-size-fits-all approach that will address all of those factors. So resilience services through the CRF, i.e. those services that build financial resilience, can be delivered in diverse and innovative ways. And there is certainly room for innovation in this space.